Hi, welcome to Jovie's home. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of a Dutch versus US kind of video, but it's about food.
Yeah.
Dan has very lovingly prepared a bowl of Dutch pancake batter.
An attempt. We're still gonna see if it works.
It's gonna work. It's gonna be great.
Okay.
And I've prepared my favorite recipe for American pancakes. So what we're going to do today is find out which one is the tastiest. Well, they're both going to be tasty. They're pancakes.
Yeah. True.
But just the differences. We thought that would be fun to make today. So if that sounds good to you, then why don't you come on in. Kick off your shoes and stay a while. We're really glad you're here.
All right. So what's in your American pancake batter?
So this is actually my absolute favorite recipe for American pancakes, and they're banana pancakes.
Ooh.
So this is not like a typical, not every American pancake has banana in it. It's just my personal preference. So my pancakes have flour, sugar, baking powder, which will make them nice and fat, salt, banana, eggs, milk, vanilla, and butter. How about your pancakes? What do your pancakes have?
Eggs, milk, and flour. That's it. I used a new trick today. I saw this online. The 1, 2, 3 method.
Yeah, what's that?
That's the 100 grams of flour,
Uh-huh.
2 eggs, and 300 milliliters of milk.
Okay.
I've never tried it before. I've never heard of it before. So I'm sorry to all Dutch people if I messed it up.
No,
But,
I think it's very interesting. Can we show kind of like the difference in batter? Like mine is like thick. Like my batter is.
And mine is liquid.
It's like pure. Yeah. There is a big difference between like our two batters.
I think there's also a bit difference in how we bake it, right?
Yeah, but also I think you have been working very hard to remove all the lumps.
And I've tried. I've really tried, guys.
And he's still doing it. But like trying to remove all the lumps. And in my recipe, it says your batter should be thick and lumpy. Like it's just like it is. Hold on. Let's see. Wait, where's my camera? Here. Look at those lumps. Those chunks and lumps. Those should be there. It's not that I'm being lazy.
Nice.
So that's the difference. And yeah, how we bake it. You're going to bake yours
in a pan
on the stove. I'm going to do mine on a griddle. You made some really, really tasty bacon and cheese Dutch pancakes. Mm. Can we do that again today?
Of course. Yes.
Bacon and cheese. And I'm just going to do the straight banana pancakes. Yeah?
All right.
Let's do this. So I use just a 1/4 cup per pancake.
Right, so, yeah.
Yep.
So for the Dutch pancakes, we use the soup spoon, and 1 scoop should be enough, for, like the perfect amount for a pancake. It looks way too liquid. Okay. Let's see how it goes.
Do you put the toppings right now?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And now, we put the lid on and then we wait.
Okay.
So with Dutch pancakes, when the top is no longer liquid, or at least most of it, then you know it's time to flip. So let's do some little flipping action here. Ah, shit. Ta-da! We did it.
We did it, Joe.
Dan, have you made your Dutch pancake?
I did.
Lovely. I also made 4 American pancakes because I could cook them at the same time. So shall we try?
Yeah, let's give this a try.
All right. How do you eat your pancakes with bacon and cheese? Because this is my new favorite thing ever.
Cinnamon sugar.
With cinnamon sugar? Who would have thought? Bacon and cheese. Oh yeah.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it real Dutch.
Oh.
We do it. Cinnamon sugar.
Uh huh.
And then.
But we have to cut it in half.
Then cut it in half.
Oh. Ooh, like this?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's like a burrito. It's like a pancake burrito. Bon appetit.
So now
Oh, so good with the sugar.
Oh.
It's delicious. Other than my negative Corona test, you know how I know I don't have Corona? I can taste it. So good.
Also considering it's almost 5 and we both didn't have lunch.
Best food I've ever had in my life. Really good. Now, are you ready to sample an American pancake?
I'm excited. Cheers.
Cheers. What is your reaction, sir?
It reminds me of poffertjes.
Oh yeah, because poffertjes are a bit
Yeah.
puffy. Yeah.
But with more taste to it. Yeah. I like the banana.
Because it also has sugar in it, which like I see that the Dutch recipe does not have sugar. This is definitely
We
sweet.
put it on top.
I didn't do it, but this also calls for powdered sugar to also
yeah.
put it on top, so it's like extra sugar.
This is good. It's nice. It feels like breakfast when I eat it. Yeah.
Yeah, because yeah, this is
I've never had it for breakfast, but it just
breakfast vibes.
It gives me breakfast vibes. All right, so that was our America versus the Netherlands pancake video.
Let us know what you guys think below in the comments. Would you eat an American pancake? If you're American, would you try the Dutch version? What do you think of like all the toppings on top? I think that was something that was weird for me.
Yeah.
Because in American pancakes, all the fillings go in the batter. So if you were to have bacon pancakes, they would be like little bits of bacon inside. So it was quite weird for me when I first moved here and I saw all my toppings like on top and I was like, that's different.
Yeah.
But delish. So tell us what do you guys think about these differences? Which one do you prefer? If you prefer one over the other, and yeah, just let us know your thoughts.
So that's it.
That's it. Thank you guys so much for coming over. Thank you for spending some time with us. We really appreciate it. And we look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.